Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. In this video I'll be showing you how to use your simple micellar gel wash and then the simple replenishing rich moisturizer. And so in this video I'm also going to tell you, the people who these products are suitable for and all that, and any other tips and tricks I can tell you guys. The first thing you want to do is to wash your hands. So I'm just basically washing my hands to make sure they are clean. Then after washing my hands, I dry them and then go in with the simple micellar gel wash. This is what it looks like. And what I'm going to do now, what you want to do is to go in with some water and wet your face, and then you want to massage this. Try to rub your palms together like so, and then gently massage the cleanser on your face. Water helps with easy gliding and all that. So this is how you basically want to do it, to the back of the ears and the neck as well. So that's how you basically want to go in with your cleanser. And you want to also take your time, take about 60 seconds, that's up to 1 minute, to massage your face. That way what happens is that the dirt on the face gets to come off, and not just that, you get some massage indirectly, and that helps with blood circulation and all that. And I personally prefer to use my hands to wash my face. I'm not really a fan of using beauty sponges or whatever, sponges, or even your regular bath sponge. No, they shouldn't touch your face. So now I'm just going to rinse my face off. Once I'm done rinsing my face, and I'm going to proceed with other skincare steps, absolutely optional. I'm going in with my toner. This particular micellar gel wash is my favorite out of the entire collection. So I'm going to link the reviews in the description box below, so do check them out. And I have also reviewed this simple micellar gel wash, so be sure to check the description box below. If you are on a budget and you're looking for that cleanser that won't make you break the bank, go for this. This is absolutely amazing. It won't dry your destiny out. It is really good because it does not leave the skin squeaky clean. If your cleanser does leave you squeaky clean, rethink it. Try and get another cleanser. Because I'm done with my treatment, and I just apply some lip balm because I love my lip balms, and yeah, just to get my lips supple. So now we're going to go in with the simple replenishing rich moisturizer, and I've also done a review on this, so do check it out. Like I said, I've linked everything in the description box below. And it says that it has 12-hour moisturization. It's with skin smoothing actives. I'm not going to talk a lot on this because, like I said, I've done a review on it. So I'm just basically, you can see that I've nearly run out of it. So I'll just take some on my palm. And for your information, I think they have, they have the light moisturizer and then the rich one. So personally, having used the two moisturizers, the rich one, this one, which is the rich one, and then the light moisturizer, I would say that this rich moisturizer is very suitable for people with dry skin, or say you can use it at night if you have oily, acne prone skin. I would say to use the light moisturizer because that one is lighter in consistency, it's not as heavy. So, or if maybe you're using treatments that are it's causing your face to dry out, that moisturizer is very suitable. I actually used it and don't mind it because even though I have oily skin, but because this is nighttime and some of the treatment I use, I use tretinoin, and it is a bit drying, so I do not mind. So that's it. I just used that to conclude my nighttime skincare routine. So I'm just going to talk a little bit about this product. So like I said, the first thing you want to do is to wash your hands before you go in with your cleanser, and this cleanser is very great for people with dry skin. So I mean, if you have oily skin, this may not be your your first choice. You can go for the simple gel, the moisturizing gel wash. That one is much better. This one is very amazing for people with maybe impaired skin barrier. If you're using products that are quite drying, this will be suitable for you. Or if your face is, you need something that is calming. If your face is very sensitized, this is really amazing. So, and then for the moisturizer, this is for people with dry skin or your barrier is impaired. You need that because it's heavy compared to the light moisturizer. And yeah, I absolutely love simple products because they're very affordable. They're also affordable, and they're just like it says, it's very simple to understand. It is no extra perfumes or any harsh chemicals that will upset your skin. So most people tend to tolerate this. And if So let me just put this in there. So if you want like just a basic skincare routine and you want to incorporate these products, what you do is use the cleanser, wash your face. When your face dries, you use the moisturizer, and that's it for nighttime. But in the daytime, you use the cleanser, use the cleanser, use the moisturizer, then wear your SPF is compulsory in the daytime. And if you have, you know, other extra special skincare, you know, products that you want to throw in, say your hyaluronic acid and all that, so after washing your face, if you have your hyaluronic acid or your snail mucin, you want to leave your face a bit damp, and then you apply your hyaluronic acid. Always apply it on damp skin, then you follow up with your moisturizer, and that's it. So if you've got any questions, any suggestions, drop them in the comment section below. Let me know the sort of videos you'd like to see on my channel. If you had questions, like I said, drop them. And with all that being said, I will have to end this video here, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.